Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about the one of the most common questions regarding the Jazzle, and which I think that it will really going to help you as well, which is that how to upload your design as a template onto the Jazzle so that people can come over to your design and can customize it according to their need, and then they can purchase it. Because if you are just uploading your design like that only and not uploading as a template, then you are missing a lot many sales onto the Jazzle, because on the Jazzle people just don't come to buy the products as a print on demand products. No, they come to actually customize it, personalize it, and then they purchase it. So I'm going to be showing you how to upload your design as a template so that you can get the more sales. And even if you are not doing it, do it guys, because you won't be missing any sales later on down the road. So let's get straight open to my laptop in a second, and I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your design as a template onto the Jazzle, which will really going to help you getting more sales. So before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, because we upload daily videos. You'll be getting notified about it when we do so. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month, because we keep on uploading it and it contains a full commercial license so you can use it. Also, one thing guys, I'm going to show you the difference between if you're uploading your design like that only and if you're uploading your design as a template. What is the major difference between these two kinds of designs when you're uploading onto the Jazzle, and how you can maximize more sales by uploading your design as a template. So I'm going to be also showing you this thing in this video because it's really important, and this was the thing that I was getting a lot many times in my videos as well. And when I was getting started with the template, I was also having the same doubt. But then I cleared this out, and now I can help you guide your doubt as well. So let's over to laptop and process begins. On the Jazzle. Now this was a dummy store I created for the sake of the purpose, the tutorials on the Jazzle for this channel. Now I've already made a video showing you guys how to make this happy birthday card and this thank you card. I'm going to leave that videos in the card section above. You can check it out how I made these two cards and how I have uploaded onto the Jazzle. The very well you can also do the same thing, so check that video out in the card section. Now today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to upload your design as a template so that you don't miss out the sales. And also I'm going to show you the difference between when you're uploading your design as it is and when you are actually uploading your design as a template. That's the major difference between when you go by for other print on demand websites where you just need to upload your design and then that's it, what you will have to do. But here you need to upload your design, you need to create a template, and then only you need to publish those designs. So that's the major difference between the Jazzle and the other print on demand websites. But hear me out guys, today we're going to see how to create these templates. So let's go over to the section where it create new product. I've already talked about what's the difference between the quick create and create new product. I'm going to leave the complete playlist of the Jazzle in the card section above. You can check it out, the difference between those two options and which option you want to go for if you are going for creating a template on a Jazzle. So we're going to go over to the create new product option and then the process begin. Okay, so here I'm going to be picking up, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be picking up something new. That time I took the card. Now today I think I'm going to take a label. Let's see, to the view all section, and we're gonna pick up a label from the invitation and stationery. You can pick up whatever product you want, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm gonna pick up labels because this is also one of the most common product that sells well on a Jazzle. So we're just gonna go over to here section, we're gonna type label and search for the label. So here you can see the 5 different kinds of products you can upload as address label, shipping label, large circle adhesive, waterproof label, small circle, medium circle, whatever you want to go with that. We're just going to go over to the shipping label. We're going to click on that, create your own. Go hover over to here section. You're going to see this kind of a white template. You can either add the text or image. I'm going to go over to the add image section because we would be making this label as a template. So I'm going to be going over to the add image option. Okay, so here we are guys. Now I'm going to be uploading one of design from my computer, from my laptop, and I'm going to show you if I'm just uploading the design and putting that design, placing the design on this label, it won't be used as a template. It's just a normal design, that's all. So I'm just going to be uploading an image from my laptop and going to show you. Then can just click over here. So this one is the design. Just gonna maximize it so that it fits well according to the label. Now this one is the design that I have uploaded like that only from my laptop, and this is not a template, guys. I'm gonna show you exactly in a second what I really mean by that. So you can see I have just uploaded the design from my computer, and then I can just go over to the done option. Now it's a thank you. Okay, let me show you exactly the difference. So I'm just gonna go over to the done option over here, and we're just gonna publish this design. Now this is the design that we have uploaded from the computer, from the laptop as it is. We haven't created a template out of it. So this is the first thing I'm gonna do. And the second thing, I'm gonna show you how to create a template, and we're going to show you the difference between this design and the template design, and how the customer actually decide which one to purchase. So that is the major thing we're really going to help you. Okay guys, now I've just uploaded it, and I'm just gonna go over to the sell it option, and we're just gonna publish this design. And then in the second thing, I'm gonna show you exactly the same label. I'm gonna just create a template around it, and then we're going to show you the difference between this design and that template design. Guys, this is the label. Thank you label. The label, on the label is written thank you. So this is just a tutorial to show you guys. So I'm gonna just write thank you. That's all. It will automatically going to come as a label over here. Then I'm gonna select marketplace department. Since it's a label, so I'm gonna be selecting the office school, the label, and then I'm just gonna write in the description as design, because this is just a tutorial. For example, I'm going to show you. Now here I'm not going to go the specific tags over here. I'm just going to be writing a normal tag. So let me just write the tags as thank you label, then modern, creative, white, minimal labels. That's all guys. You can very well go over to the tag option and can do your research and then use the tag for your designs. I'm just placing the tags like that only because this is just an example to show you the difference between the designs you're uploading like that only and the designs that you're uploading as a template. So just don't think that I'm writing an ideal tags over it just for the sake of this tutorial. Now it's suitable for all the audience, and the royalty percentage is 5% by default. And then we're just gonna publish this design. So I'm just gonna click over here, and we're gonna click over to the post. This design has been posted. Now this design I have uploaded as it is from the laptop, so it's not a template. So we're just gonna go back to our shop, and we're going to upload a design that is as a template. And that product would be a template design. So we're just gonna go over to the create new product option again, and again I'm gonna go and choose the label only. Type over here label. Two option is coming, shipping label. Then go over to the option add image. Now here I'm going to type the same thank you that I have put on my previous design, and then I'm going to show you the difference between them. So we're just gonna keep the background as white only. I'm not gonna be placing any background color over here, and we're gonna go be adding the text. So the text will going to contain the thank you only. That is the simple text, the same as was in that design. I'm gonna be increasing its size to 34. Let's see. Okay, perfect. You can change from font from Rubik to anyone you wanna do with that. So I'm gonna go over to the sans serif. I'm gonna be selecting Rubik bold, and yeah, so the same thing I have created. Now you can see I have created this design as a template. This is a major difference. When you are using Zoom Designer tool as designing your product, you're creating a template. And when you're just uploading a design, like I have just uploaded this design, when you're just uploading the design from a laptop, from a computer, it's not a template, guys. It's just an image. It's just a PNG image or JPEG image. It's just an image. It's not a template. But here I've created a template. I have put the text from the Jazzle Designer tool, and I have actually typed over that. So this is a template, and that was just the design. So this is the difference between the design design you're uploading and this is the template. Both of them are designs only, but one is just the design that customer can purchase it, they can't customize it. But here they can customize it. I'm going to show you in a second. Once this design is published as well, then I'm going to show you how both designs you can use. Like in this design you can customize it, and in that design you can't customize it. So that is a major difference between over here. So I have uploaded the design like this one. I have uploaded in my previous design, and here I have created the template. I've used a text tool and written the text. You can write you can bring a various different icons over here or add the elements, whatever you want to do with that. So I'm just going to click over OK, and we're going to publish this design. Okay guys, so I'm just going to write a simple text over here. That is a thank you. That's it. And we're going to selecting the department as stationery label. Description, I'm going to just write a simple design only because this is just a tutorial to show you the difference. Thank you label, creative, modern, simple. Like you can do your research of your keywords and can use it. And then we're just going to go down. We're going to select suitable for all the audience, and I'm going to click this and post it. Now this design is also published. Now come the major juicy part that I'm going to show you the difference between both these designs. So let me just go over to our store again, and we're going to show you exactly the difference between these two designs. Okay guys, you can see these are the two designs that we uploaded. This one I uploaded just from the computer laptop, and this one I created as a template. Now we're going to see the difference between these two, especially for the customer point of view, like how they're gonna select which one is better for them, whether they can customize it or not to share the design. So I'm gonna open this design in incognito window to show you exactly what I really mean by that. So I'll just gonna copy the link of this design, and then I'm gonna go over to the incognito window because I haven't signed in onto that. We're going to paste it and just scroll down. This is a link of the product. I'm just gonna copy it and just close it. Go to the incognito window, paste it. This is the design that I created as a template guide into my account in my normal Chrome browser. So that's why I'm going into the incognito window where I haven't logged into the Jazzle account, and I'm going to show you the difference between these two designs over here. You can see this was a design that we have uploaded as a template. I'll show you the previous design we have just uploaded like that only, and now we can't use it as a template. So let me just go back over to that design. So this was that design, and we're just gonna copy the link, and we're gonna see in the incognito window where I haven't logged into my account, because here I have logged into my account, so I can't exactly show it. So I'm just gonna copy this link, close this and go back to incognito window 1 second, and we're just gonna take a tab over here, and I'm just going to paste this design over here. So when I click over to the edit option over here, I'm getting the facility to edit this design over here because it was a template, so I can edit it. But here, when I'm gonna just click over to this design, I can't edit the text here guys, because I have just uploaded this design from my computer, from my laptop, so I can't edit this text, and I can't create my own text over here. Like I can't edit this text and write my own text in the same font. I just need to delete this whole design and upload my own design over here, then only I can buy the product. Guys, this was a design that we uploaded as a template, so I can just change the text over here. Instead of thank you, I can write happy birthday, whatever you want to write. I can just edit the text over here. and you can see we have added the text over here. So this is the major benefit of using and uploading the design as a template. But here, which I have uploaded just the design like that only, I haven't made it as a template. Now I can't add this text over here. I can't change this thank you to a happy birthday to a hello. I can't change this, or I can't edit this text. This is the major difference between when you're uploading your design as it is from a laptop, from a computer, or when you are uploading your design and using the Jazzle designer tool and creating a template from it. This is a major difference, guys. Now here the customer is confused, like they have created to edit this design, but they don't know how to edit it because they can't edit the text over here. They just need to delete the complete design and then upload their own design, or then just go over to the text option and write their own font and do all those things. They can't just edit this design. So this is the major difference, guys. I hope you really find this video useful. That's what I really want to show you, the difference between when you are uploading your design as a template and when you're uploading your design as it is. Because when you're uploading as it is, now customer can't customize it. They just have the facility to either purchase this design as it is, or they can just delete the complete design from this product and can create their own design from it. And when you are a customer, go into the customer shoes, guys. When you are a customer, you don't have a designing experience. You don't know how to create a label for a shipping label for your business because you are not a designer. You just come here on the Jazzle to purchase a customizable shipping labels for your brand, for your business. Now you reach to this design where you can't even edit the text. You want to edit this text and write your own address over here. Now you can't do it. So why you would be purchasing this design? Instead, you would be purchasing this design where you can edit the template and you can write your own text and can just purchase it. So that is the major difference, guys. Think about that whenever you're going for any platform and you're creating any product, any design for that platform. Think of that, how a customer is landing on that platform, whether they are landing as a platform as using a designs as a template, or they are just landing on the platform to buy the products. Like, what's the mentality of the customer when they are going onto this platform? Each and every platform is unique from their point of view, so you really need to go into the customer shoes to actually understand what the customer is expecting from this platform and what you can give to this platform to actually make sales and to make good sales. So this is the major difference, guys. Now I can add it and I can just write my own address over here and I can purchase this for my business brand. But here for this design, I can't edit it because on this design the text is not editable because I just uploaded the design from a laptop, from my computer like that only, and placed on the label. So I can't edit this text, I can't edit this design because this is not a template. I just need to just delete this design and just write my text from my own site. And when you are a customer, you are just going on a Jazzle to actually purchase a label for your brand, a shipping label for your brand. You won't be going into the depth and detail of how to create designs onto the Jazzle, how to do this and that. You won't be going into that much detail. You just want to buy the labels from the Jazzle. You have only that thing in mind, so that you won't be having that much of time to actually go into the design and edit it and see whether it's editable or not, and then creating your design from scratch. Very few customer will going to do that. So the moment you land over to this design, you're just gonna go outside of this design. You won't even be purchasing this design because you can't edit it. So this design is not at all used for you. So you're just gonna be coming out from the design, and instead you would be going over to design something like this where you can actually edit it. So this is the difference, guys. Take the Jazzle as a platform where you can upload your design as a template, and people and the customer are going on a platform for that sake only. So keep that thing in mind. It will really going to help you getting the good sales and actually making some serious amount of money from the Jazzle, because on the Jazzle the people are making thousands of dollars each month. It's genuine and you can also make it. Just keep this difference in your mind, and then you're gonna skyrocket your sales. So this is the video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And if you have any more doubts regarding the Jazzle, let me know in the comment section below. I'll go to answer for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. Next time, take care. Bye, guys.